Dash had a serious aggression with cages. Anytime anyone walked by him, went to put him into a new play area, he would jump at the cage. I wasn't sure if it was straight aggression, like he was going to bite me in the beginning. However, when I started going inside the kennel, I realized it was just cage aggression.
So after this third session, I'm just putting him in this kennel now. I really want to get a look at how his body language changes when I begin getting closer and touching the kennel. Notice the ears. You notice that right there? What'd you see there? So I went a little growling. No, not allowed. See that? He hates those fingers. That's what he's snarling. It's fight or flight.
When I talked to the owner about the cage aggression, she had told me no one else is allowed in his cage. He's gonna bite someone. And I had told her after 4 days of working with him, I was able to get it in the cage. And she was very happy with that.
Much better. Boy. Good. This is day 3. Here now is I'm allowing Dash to go inside his kennel. I have his prong collar and leash on, and I'm very aware, watching his body language change, kind of turn around, ignoring me. Just drinking some water. Hanging out with Dash right now. He's taking trips inside his kennel, and I'm also walking him. Good.